Rarely seen in the FM Metro, a Red River flood in the middle of winter. For the first time ever, the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for the Red in December.
That's because the ice and rainstorm earlier this weekend into this week brought 3 inches of rain to some areas. We're jumping outside now for a live look at Elm Street in North Fargo as the river level approaches minor flood stage in Fargo-Moorhead. Now, when that happens, and it's expected to in the next few days, high water will shut down these low-lying areas of Elm Street near El Zago Golf Course and water around the rest of the southern basin that may linger in ditches for a while. You can see the caution light lit up on the ground already as it's blinking, and the region there already getting set up to shut down.